10th Physical Science lesson Classification of Elements. Topic Properties of Elements and their trends in groups and in periods. First one, valence. Combining capacity of element with another element is called valence. During the reactions, the elements are taken combining capacity to react with one another, then this capacity is called valence. For example, sodium plus H given sodium hydride. Here one sodium combines with one hydrogen. The sodium valency is 1. Here one sodium combines with one hydrogen, so sodium valency is 1. Next, calcium plus O2 gives CaO, calcium oxide. Calcium combines with two oxygen atoms, so calcium valency is 2. Here calcium atom is 1 and oxygen is 2 atoms. Calcium combines with 2 atoms oxygen, so calcium valency is 2. Group wise, we can see the valency of the elements. First group elements NS1, valency electrons 1. Valency electrons means outermost cell contains electrons. When valency electrons is 1, then the valency is 1. Second group elements electron configuration NS2, valency electrons 2, valency is 2. 13th group electron configuration NS2 NP1, valency electrons 2 1, valency is 3. 14th group NS2 NP2, valency electrons 2 2, valency is 4. 15th group nitrogen family NS2 NP3, valency electrons 2 3, valency is 3. 16th group oxygen NS2 NP4, valency electrons 2 4, valency is 2. 17th group halogen NS2 NP5, valency electrons 2 5, valency is 1. 18th group noble gas NS2 NP5, valency electrons 2 6, valency is 0. Here only we take S black and P black elements. Valency is increased 1 2 3 4, next decreased 3 2 1 0. According to valency electrons that present in the outer shell, we can say the valency of element. So here is the modern period table. 18 groups are there and 7 periods are there. First group elements, valency outermost cell contains valency electrons 1, valency is 1. Second group elements, valency electrons 2, valency is 2. P black elements. 13th group elements, valency electrons 3, valency is 3. 14th group elements, valency electrons 4, valency is 4. 15th group valency electrons 5 and valency is 3. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. So SP black elements valency configuration S2 and P6. So 8 electrons are there totally. So 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. 16th group valence electrons 6, valency is 2. 8 minus 6 is equal to 17th group valence electrons 7, 8 minus 7 1. 18th group 8 electrons are there. Valency is 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Each period starts with valency 1 for first group and increases up to 4 with the group number, then decreases 4 to 3 to 1 to 0 for S and P black elements. S black and P black elements are seen here. Valency 1, 2, 3, 4 increasing and decreasing 3, 2, 1, 0. So this is all about the valence. Next one, atomic radius. The distance from the center of the nucleus of the atom to its outermost cell. This is a atom of element. So inside the atom nucleus is there and outermost cell. So between the nucleus and outermost cells, inner cells are there. So the distance between the nucleus and outermost cell is called atomic radius. Measuring the distance between the nuclei of adjacent atoms in a solid, half of this distance taken as a radius of atom. Two atoms are kept side by side and between the two nucleus distance is taken, and this distance divided by 2 comes as a atom radius. So this atom radius is measured in pm. Pm means picometer units. To accommodate more number of electrons, more cells are required. Number of cells in a group from top to bottom increases. So atomic radius is increases along with the atomic size. In the group wise, hydrogen 1 electron is there, so 1 cell is required. Lithium 3 electrons are there, 2 cells are required. Sodium 11 electrons are there, 3 cells are required. Potassium 19 electrons are there, so 4 cells are required. So when the electrons are increased, automatically the cells are added. Next, the atomic size is also increased. Atomic radius is increased along with atomic size. Lithium atomic radius is 152 picometers, sodium 186, potassium 231. So the atomic radius is increases along with atomic size. Next, atomic radius in period. Second period is taken here. Lithium 3, beryllium 4, boron 5, carbon 6, nitrogen 7, oxygen 8 electrons. So here we can see 2 cells are there. In each atom only 2 cells are there. The electrons added one by one in the second cell. So in the periods, electrons enter into the same cell, second cell. There is no change in atomic radius. Here nuclear attraction on the outer cell electrons increases and size of atom decreases. So there is no change in the atomic radius because no cells are added here, and the force of attraction by the nucleus is increases on the outer shell electrons. So here the size of atom is decreases. Lithium 152, beryllium 111, boron 88 atomic radius. So lithium to boron, the atomic radius is decreases. Next here two types of sodium positions are there. Sodium atom, sodium ion. Sodium atom electron configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. Sodium ion electron configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Sodium atom 3 cells are there. Sodium ion 2 cells are there. So 3s1 electron is donated. So there is no electron in the sodium ion. Sodium atom 11 protons inside the nucleus, 11 electrons around the nucleus. The sodium ion 11 protons and 10 electrons are there. So one is less in the sodium ion. So when there is no electron in the sodium ion, automatically the nuclear force of ion, the size of the sodium ion shrinks. It means decrease. Okay. Next one, chlorine atom and chlorine ion. Chlorine atom electron configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. Chlorine ion electron configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. So third cell, here 7 electrons are there, here 8 electrons are there. So first 1 electron less in the chlorine atom and 1 electron added to chlorine ion. Chlorine atom 17 protons in the nucleus, 17 electrons in the around the nucleus. Chlorine ion 17 protons in the nucleus, 18 electrons around the nucleus. So electrons is more in chlorine ion, less in chlorine atom. So the chlorine ion bigger in size than chlorine atom. Why? Because the 1 electron is added to the chlorine ion. So here the difference between the sodium and chlorine. Chlorine atom is bigger than the sodium ion. Here chlorine ion is bigger than the chlorine atom. So all this about the valence and atomic radius. These are the properties of elements in the groups and periods.